Hello, I am back. The other day I did get my other packages from Taylor Swift's merch, so I'm here to unbox them. I did get another package, but that one's for Christmas, so I'll be unboxing that next week. But the other package is what I bought, and I'm going to unbox it today. A couple days ago when I got it, I did unbox it, and I did a video and everything, but I looked really bad, so I'm just going to redo it. So I did already look in this stuff, I already know what I have, but I figured I'd rather refilm the video than put out something that I don't want to put out. So I'm going to redo it today. In this video, I bought a lot of ornaments, smaller stuff. I think everything I ordered was from the old Taylor section, and they were having a crazy sale on all that stuff. Things were like 80% off. Plus, you could use your 15% off extra on top of that, so that's what I did. So a lot of this stuff, I mean, I bought for $1, $2, it's crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I got. Since I did already film this video, I used some of this stuff already, and I put one of these stickers on my laptop, so it's missing a sticker, but I got a sticker sheet. This says "Shake It Off" over here. But I got this little sticker sheet for 50 cents. It is so cute. It was packaged in this really nice, like, thick envelope. Really good packaging for something that was 50 cents. So, really nice. These are from the 1989 album. A lot of this stuff isn't available on the website anymore, which sucks. But if you were able to get it, that's good because they were having really good sales. So next is the 3 Taylor Swift ornaments. This is still available on the website last time I checked, so you can still buy this. This was $5. There's a red one and a green one and a silver one, and they say 1989 in the middle. They're really cute. I have a 4-foot Christmas tree, and these types of ornaments kind of look a little too big on them because of how small the tree is, but they still look cute and they're still Taylor Swift, so I put them on the tree. Yeah, my little tree is almost exclusively Taylor Swift ornaments, so it's really nice, really pretty. I'll just go ahead and show you all of the ornaments now. I also got this Taylor Swift 1989 metal ornament. I have the plastic one too. I got that a couple years ago, but I decided to pick this one up. And then I also picked up the singing one. So it has Taylor Swift, Happy Holidays, Love Taylor 2015 on it, and then 1989, and it looks like a bunch of Polaroid pictures stacked up, and it sings "Shake It Off." And the next ornament I got, I already have one of these, but when I saw it on the website, I decided to go ahead and pick up another one. It's double-sided, so on one side it says 1989, and on the other it says TS, so I figured one could be on one side and one could be on the other. And it comes in this nice little box, because I think they might shatter if you drop them. I'm not quite sure. They feel kind of delicate. I'll see myself out. The next thing I got was a little flash drive. And it looks like this. It is so small. I definitely didn't think it was going to be this small because I have a habit of losing things, and I feel like I could definitely lose this very quickly. But I wanted to put all of my Taylor Swift concert footage on it. I've seen her 5 times, so it would be cool to have all of the footage on one flash drive, so if I wanted to ever look back on it, it would all be in one area. The next thing I got is really exciting. It's this big jersey, and in the corner it says TS 1989, and on the back in giant letters it says Taylor Swift. I got this in an extra large, and it is definitely not flattering, not form-fitting. It's huge, but it's very cute, nice, thick, and sturdy. It is a little see-through, but not too bad. It's not as bad as a lot of Taylor Swift white clothes. A lot of it is very, very see-through. So it's better than the other Taylor Swift white stuff, but it would be nice if none of it was see-through. But it's huge, huge, huge. I love it. and it looks good with leggings. That's how I wear it. And if you saw my other video, I bought one of these beach totes. In the other one, it was like $7.85 or something. This one was $3. So when I saw that, I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up. I wasn't sure if I was gonna take back the other one. I'm probably not, because everything else pretty much fits. So I don't see myself returning anything else, and it wouldn't be worth paying the return shipping to take the other one back, because you do have to pay your own return shipping. I think that's kind of lame. I know that they're making a lot of money, and she could definitely, you know, splurge for free returns. That would have been great, but she doesn't. So you do have to pay return shipping, and I've returned stuff to her before. It was like $7 to return a shirt. So you really got to make sure it's worth it before you return something, because if your shirt's only like 20 bucks and it's workable, I would just say keep it. So I don't know what I would use it for. They consider it a beach tote, but I don't go to the beach like ever, so I don't think I'd use it as a beach tote. Maybe for toiletries or something if you're going on a trip, I don't know. But it's cute and it's nice to have. Do you remember when Red came out? Taylor had these really nice sturdy totes, and they had like the 9 blocks and then there was like a word in the middle. The one I got says meow and it has Meredith on it. It is perfect. I put my heavy laptop in there. I put everything in there. I stuff it to the brim, and I've never had any problems, and I've had that for years. I am so surprised it hasn't like broken or anything. It is amazing. So these don't feel as good as those did. They feel kind of flimsy. It looks like where the straps are sewn in, they wouldn't rip off, which is good, but it doesn't feel like it could hold like 30 pounds of crap like the other ones did. I got these little shorts. They are really, really cute. These are still on the website, I believe. And then on the back it says, "They are the hunters, we are the foxes." I also got the matching jean jacket, but I'm not getting that till Christmas, so next week I will update you on that. These look very, very small, but they stretch, so I'm hoping they'll fit. I haven't tried them on yet, so I don't know. We'll see if they'll fit. I did size up in these, but even then, they feel small. All of the stuff from the previous albums all feel like they're junior sizing. They don't feel like nice like women's sizing like all the Reputation stuff feels like. This kind of feels like it's meant for, you know, teenagers, little people. So I wish they came a little bigger, because this was the biggest size. I got them in a 15. They don't look like a 15. I got this little tank top, and it's got the Shake It Off lyrics on it. Really, really cute, but again, very see-through, very, very see-through. So, I mean, if you wear a little bralette under it, that would be fine, or maybe a bathing suit or something, but I wouldn't suggest wearing something you don't want seen under it. And a lot of her white clothes are like that. I had one that was also from 1989. It said, "I know places we can hide." It had it embroidered in, and that is very see-through. I would only use that as a beach cover-up because you could see everything through it. I got this little tank top. It says Taylor Swift 1989 World Tour. I don't love the sleeves. Again, you know, you got to be careful about what you wear under it. If you have a bralette or a bathing suit that you don't mind being shown, it would be good, but as a little just regular tank top, it has huge open sleeves. But if you don't mind that, then it's fine. I got 3 stockings. Got this little one, really cute. It doesn't stretch and the opening's pretty small, so I don't know how easy it would be to get stuff in and out, but I was only really buying these for decoration anyway. I don't think I'd actually use them, especially because next year I'm going to be moved out and I'm going to be living on my own, just me and my bunny, and I don't think we're going to need any stockings. So it isn't really a big deal. I don't think people really use stockings. They're just nice little decoration. So I got that one, and I got this little one. Remember when she used to say that? That was a long time ago. It says Taylor Swift up there. This one's really cute. So, that one. And I got this one, and this one has her name double-sided. So you could use this one and this one on either side, but this one only has that on the one side. The other side is plain, and it's nice and like velvet. The final thing I got were these nesting boxes. I thought there were going to be 3, but there's only 2. It might have shown that on the website, but in my head I was thinking there was going to be 3. But they're really nice. They have the seagulls and then a nice gold around, really pretty, and then it has the place where you can put what's in it. And then the one inside looks the same. And they feel really nice. They feel like thick paper. So I'd be careful about getting these wet because they do feel like they would just disintegrate. But, I mean, they feel like they could really hold up if you have like papers or books or something inside of them. They are really nice and really cute. It would be good to put like Taylor Swift magazines or, I don't know, whatever other Taylor Swift stuff you have in it, since you know this is Taylor Swift. There's probably going to be Taylor Swift stuff in it. I did not get anything free in this order, so that was kind of a bummer. I was really hoping I could get, you know, something from Taylor Nation. It's not a big deal, obviously, but I was kind of looking forward to that. But in my last order, I did get something free in it. I don't know if they're still doing it, or if they're over it, or if they just pick and choose who gets stuff. I was under the impression that everyone would get something free. So now I can tell you the prices of everything. This stocking was 85 cents. Both of these were $1.70. This was $3.40. This was also $3.40. These were $11.05. This was $2.55. This was $8.50. These were $7.65. This was 85 cents. The flash drive was $1.70. This was $5.10. These were $4.25. This was 42 cents. And this was 85 cents. When I first saw how discounted everything was, I thought it was an accident. Like, maybe someone wasn't supposed to put things that cheap. But then the next day she put in the emails that there was a good sale on all of the old Taylor stuff. So I was able to find it on my own before she announced it to everyone else. So I got a good pick of everything because nothing was really sold out at that point. But then when I came back after she put out the email, there was almost nothing left. I think the whole point is just to get that stuff out of there. I'm hoping that's because she's starting to put out new merch with her next album. That would be great. Get rid of all the old stock so that way, you know, Reputation can go into the now old Taylor section and then redo everything for the next album. I'm really hoping that's coming soon. That would be awesome. She is having some okay sales right now on the Reputation stuff, but I would wait until after Christmas to place my order because your stuff is not coming before Christmas. I ordered this stuff on the 7th and it came on the 17th. So it took 10 days, which is not as long as the last order. That took over 2 weeks even to ship. So I would really recommend just waiting until after Christmas because I think she's going to do some sort of after Christmas sale to try to get out some of this inventory. I think I am done with ordering stuff from Taylor's website for now until the next album comes out and she starts making new merch. I have more than I need right now of Taylor stuff. I have too much Taylor stuff. So I think I'm good for now. And with the next album, I might not buy as much as I did this album. I bought a lot of stuff for Reputation. I am really excited for her to go on tour again. I saw her 3 times for the Reputation tour. That would be great if I could see her 3 times again for her next album's tour. But I don't know. I don't know what the prices are going to be, where she's going to be, where I'm going to be, because we're planning on moving, so I don't even know where I'm going to be living. So it's not really that big of a priority right now to save money for concert tickets, because I'm trying to save money for a house, and that's a little bit more important right now. But I am definitely at least going to see her once when she comes back on tour, because I've seen her since the Red tour. Every time she goes on tour, I've seen her at least once. So I definitely want to keep that up. Every time she goes on tour, I want to see her at least once. I want her to put out music. I don't care what it is. I'll listen to it and I'll love it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.